Hi everyone, Joe's time again. Today I'm so glad to introduce our new integrated solar system. The first one is the 60-watt 20 ampere power solar panel, integrated LFP battery and solar controller, the bracket, and then the extended panel. For this product is to bring you a different scenario requirements that's suitable for you. So how to install them? Follow my step. First, we need to use screws and nuts to fix the bracket and battery. It should be noted that the position of the bracket can be adjusted based on the dimension of the hole. Then we need to use the spanner to tighten the nuts. This is the same installation way. Then we should fix the solar panel on the battery. We need to align and install the holes with screws and nuts. After installing, we can connect the power cable between the battery and the solar panel. And then we can open the switch and you will see 5 indicators between the 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. The last indicator is to show you charging alarm. When it was on, it means that the system needs to be charging. We can also use the screws and nuts to fix this extending panel to be added any cameras you want. And also we've got the DC 12 voltage cable to power the CCTV cameras, IP cameras or wireless bridge. Now we finished the whole installation of this solar system. With this system, you can easily work on your project in a large-scale area that no power connection. Sure, if you have any question about this system, please feel free to contact us. This is Joe. See you next time.